Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to become more confident, more likable, and smarter in the way you talk, this video is for you. Stay with me till the end because the last tip might actually change the way people respect you in daily life. Have you ever said something and the other person just stared at you like you spoke Chinese? Or maybe you've sent a text and the reply is just, "Seen, trust me, we've all been there." Communication skills are the secret weapon of successful people, and the good news is you don't need any magic degrees. Today I'll show you 5 simple ways to improve your communication skills, and yes, number 4 is my favorite because it saved me from an embarrassing situation with my teacher. Most people listen to reply, but real communication starts when you listen to understand. Next time someone is talking, don't just nod, actually focus on their words. You'll answer more clearly and the other person will feel respected. Funny insert. I once told my friend about my new job for 15 minutes, then he suddenly replied, "Bro, did you eat breakfast?" I realized he didn't hear a single word. So always listen carefully. Communication is not a spelling competition. Use simple and clear words people love when they understand you easily. Instead of saying, "I'm exuberantly exhilarated," just say, "I'm very happy." Simple language creates a stronger connection. Your face, hands, and posture speak before your mouth does. When talking, keep eye contact, use hand gestures naturally, and have a friendly face. It shows confidence. Example. If you talk like this slouched body, no eye contact, nobody takes you seriously. But if you talk like this, straight posture, eye contact, people will listen. When we get nervous, we speak very fast. It makes us sound less confident. Next time, take a breath, speak a bit slowly, and see how powerful your voice becomes. I once tried to impress my crush. I spoke so fast she thought I was rapping. She even asked if I was Eminem's brother. You don't need a stage to improve communication. Start small. Talk to shopkeepers, cousins, friends. Small daily conversations will build your confidence very quickly. And slowly you'll become a natural communicator. So these were 5 simple ways to improve your communication skills. 1. Listen carefully. 2. Use simple words. 3. Body language. 4. Speak slowly. 5. Practice small talks. Do at least one of these every day, and within 30 days you will see a big change in how people react to you. If you found this video helpful and I made you smile or learn something, hit the like button. Comment below which tip you liked the most. And don't forget to subscribe because every week I bring videos that make you smarter in a simple and funny way. See you in the next video. Until then, stay confident, stay happy, peace.